Hello, I am not responsible for any mistakes or deaths, injuries, this appears live on TV, or copyright. I'm also not responsible for any misuse of the emergency alert system. Do not copy or use this video. If you're pranking someone, that is okay. But no usage this to make at other voices. This will lead to a copyright strike. Viewers may find the Validee's tone frightening and scary, even what the scenario is about. PLZ, like and subscribe, and hit that bell. Enjoy. Also, this contains valid EAS tones. This a national emergency. This is Cardio TV 13, serving the Western Oregon area. If you are not in this area, tune to local news channels serving news and information on this developing situation. BEP, this massage has been requested for the U.S. government's permission to use the local emergency alert system. A weird wave of nothing is going around Earth at this time. So the government says to you to do the following instructions. Do nothing. Continue your daily routine. Yes, do nothing. Why the foo is the government making such a dumb EAS message? Stay tuned for more information on this developing situation.